We have heard your requests, and we are excited to announce that you can now send multimedia files during WhatsApp and Telegram live chats. You can send images, videos, audio, and files directly in the live chat. Let's take a look at how you can do it. Just go to the live chat from dashboard. Select the subscriber to whom you want to send the attachment. Then click on the attachment button. Click on Upload. Select the file from your hard drive. That's it. The file will be sent to the subscriber. Yes, the image has been received on WhatsApp. In the same way, we can attach files on Telegram live chat. It's very easy and simple to send a multimedia file for WhatsApp and Telegram. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.